So this is my e-bike project. It's a diverge, aluminum diverge, and I didn't have a use for it, so I thought I'd make it an e-bike. I got a Kepler friction drive, and it had cable disc brakes on it, but I got a 105 group set for it, and I got a VESC speed control, so it's like a 4-point mini VESC 4.2. And I'm trying to work on the throttle, figure out what I want to do for that. And I was able to take a scooter throttle from Amazon, and I can put a link in the description so that you can see what I used. And it's just I guess it would be a Hall effect throttle. It just has a sensor, and then there was a magnet inside the housing. But I took the cable out and was able to route it into this brifter, and then down behind that brake lever, and then attach a magnet to this inside piece. You can see it right there. And I've just configured the VESC so that with the the PPM settings, that when you move the magnet away from the sensor, the throttle comes on. So hand grip position, just riding on the hoods. Just use your finger, slide it over, and you're going. Let off, stops. And the brake will still work just fine. No problem there. And I've got it set up as a 1x, so this is the left-hand side anyway, so I won't be doing any shifting. Well, it's currently just a single speed also, so just pedal and motor assist. Pretty slick.